An Indian police constable was critically injured in an attack in the Doda district within hours after exchange of fire at the Chhatargala area, which injured 6 Indian personnel. A fresh clash erupted at the Kota Top in Gando area of the Doda district. The Indian police constable was injured in the ongoing exchange of the fire. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the ongoing spree of killing and arrest in the occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said that the military might and the anti-Kashmir policies adopted by the Indian BJP government towards the Kashmiris for the past decades have failed to resolve the dispute. Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has called on India to establish favorable environment for a peaceful and the permanent resolution of the long-standing Kashmir dispute. DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal in a statement in Srinagar emphasized that Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory and urged the new government to revisit its policy on the Kashmir. Indian Army and the police establishment has transformed the occupied Kashmir into a military garrison ahead of the annual Hindu Amarnath Yatra. Heavy deployment of the Indian forces, including the army and the paramilitary forces, has caused significant inconvenience to the locals. The Indian troops are patrolling and checking the roads, and the army pickets have been set up in the various areas including Islamabad, Kulgam, Ganderbal and Srinagar. BJP regime has attached two-story house of a youth in the Islamabad district. The house belongs to the Hurriyat activist Riaz Ahmed Butt and it was attached under the Black Law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in Gandol area of the district. India has issued an advisory to all the private satellite television channels ordering that they exclusively use the latest political map of India that includes the UN designated disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir, including Ladakh. The advisory has been issued by India's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting.